everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I am going to show you how we are going to make this beautiful crochet cuff. You can also call this as crochet wristband, crochet wrist warmer, crochet lacy hand warmer, crochet lacy gloves. How you call them, a lot of things are being said for this. The pattern is very easy, dear friends. I will explain every detail to you. I'm sure you are going to love this beautiful crochet cuff. I made one piece before making this video. Now I am going to make the second one with you with a very detailed tutorial. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. Let's go on how to make this. I made this crochet cuff with this yarn, dear friends. This is 100 acrylic yarn. It is thin, not thick like this. You can also make this with cotton yarn, but it should be thin. It shouldn't be chunky, it shouldn't be thick. Look, it is for play like this. It is for play. It is thin acrylic yarn. Of course, you can make it with thin mercerized yarn, thin cotton yarn. But if you find this kind of yarn, it is better for you in order to get this lacy look. We need 2mm hook like this, 2mm. We need scissors to cut the yarn end. We need buttons. Any button suitable to the glove is okay for you. I used 4 buttons for one piece. You will need totally 8 buttons for both one pair of cuffs. Okay, dear friends, that's all what we need for this project. Now let's go on how to make this. Dear friends, we are starting from the edge of the cuff. When we finished all over, we are going to make this border. In order to start from the very edge, first of all, we are going to make chains. After making chains according to the size of our wrist, then we are going to make double crochets one by one on the chains. I will show you how we are going to make. First of all, we are starting by making chains. Upon the chains, we are going to found the double crochets one by one. I'm taking the yarn in my hand. First of all, I am making a slip knot. Like this. I'm making a slip knot and I am starting making chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, we will go on making chains. After make some chains, we will wrap the chains around our wrist and we will make the size of the chains according to our wrist size, dear friends. I will also make this according to the size of my wrist. Now I made 10 chains. I will go on making chains. Of course, you are going to make this according to the size of your own wrist. Now let's go on making size till we reach up to cover all our wrist. Yes, dear friends, I made chains according to the size of my own wrist. I made totally 50 chains. Of course, this 50 chains is for my own wrist. You are going to make the chains according to the size of your own wrist. Let me show you. Like this, dear friends. Did you see? This is for my own wrist here. Like this. Now I am going to make some more chains for these buttonholes and also in order to sew the buttons. I mean, I will make extra chains for the buttons and buttonholes. 6 chains I'm making. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I will separate 3 of them for the buttonhole and 3 of them for sewing up the buttons. Now I will go on one by one making double crochets. For the first double crochet I am making 2 chains. 1, 2. This will be my first double crochet. Now I am going to the following chain space. Let me show you. Inserting my hook like this and making a double crochet like this. I am considering the first 2 chains as double crochet 1 Now I made another double crochet in the following stitch. Now I have 2 double crochet on my chain. I'm making yarn over, going to the following stitch. Let me show you like this, going to the following stitch, this stitch I mean, and making another double crochet. Yarn over, I am going to the following chain stitch here, making another double crochet, yarn over, going to this following stitch, inserting my hook in there, and making another double crochet, yarn over, going to this following stitch, chain I mean, inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through, and making another double crochet. Yes, dear friends, like this, one by one we are going to make double crochet all around the chains. Till the end we are going to make one by one double crochets. Let's finish this round as I explained to you. Yes, dear friends, I finished my first round. One by one I made double crochets till the end of the chain, like this. Now I am on the second round. I am going to make 2 chains as the first double crochet, and upon this I am going to make 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. I made totally 5 chains. 2 of them is for the first double crochet, 3 of them is for the buttonhole. I am turning to the other side. I will go on round 2. Yarn over. I am skipping 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3, and inserting my hook through the following stitch after skipping 3 double crochet, and make a double crochet on this, like this. We made our first button space. Now I am making 2 chains. 1, 2, yarn over. I'm inserting my hook through the same stitch and making a double crochet, like this. We made a V-stitch. Now I am skipping 2 stitches, 2 double crochet. 1, 2, you see, I'm skipping these 2 double crochet, inserting my hook through the third one. Let me show you like this. Yarn over, skipping these 2 stitches. 1, 2, I'm skipping, inserting my hook through the third one, yarn over, pull through, and making a double crochet. 2 chains. 1, 2, yarn over. I'm inserting my hook through the same stitch and making another double crochet, like this. Okay, I made 2 V-stitch like this. Yarn over. I'm skipping 2 stitch. This is 1, this is 2. I'm skipping, inserting my hook through the third one, like this. Skipping these 2 stitches, inserting through the third one, and making another V-stitch. For this reason, making 1 double crochet and 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook through the same stitch and making another double crochet. Once again I will show you. Yarn over, skipping 2 stitches. This is 1, let me show you. This is 2, I'm skipping these 2 stitches, inserting my hook through the third one, like this. Yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet, 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook through the same space, like this, and making another double crochet. Okay, we made button space, buttonhole later on. 1, 2, 3, 4 V-stitch we made. We are going on making V-stitches. Coming to the end, we are separating 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets. I will show you what we are going to do. Yes, I finished my first round with V-stitches like this. I came to the end. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet left. When you come to the end and when you make the last V stitch, if you see there is much double crochet left, you can skip 3 stitches. For example, here, let me show you. I came to the end. I am skipping 2 chains and making another one. Like this I counted the double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I saw there are 5 double crochet left. For this reason, I went back. And in order to leave only 4 double crochet, this time I will skip 3 stitches like this. 1, 2, 3 stitches I am skipping. I am going to the following. If you have this kind of situation, do the same thing for me. I am making 2 chains and making another double crochet in the same stitch. Yes, dear friends, I showed you how you are going to do if you see more than 4 stitches left when you come to the end. You can adjust like this. Okay, from now on, I'm making yarn over. Now one by one, I will make double crochets. On these stitches, later on, we are going to sew up the buttons. We are going to knit the buttons. As you see, one by one, I am making double crochets. Okay. Okay. I am not counting the V stitch, except this last V stitch. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet. Let me show you. I am not counting this V stitch. I am counting only these 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this we finished the round 2. Now I am making 2 chains, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, yarn over, turning to the other side. Now we are on the round 3. Here on this 4 double crochet, I am going to make one by one 4 double crochet. I am considering these 2 chains as double crochet 1. Now I am making double crochet 2, going to the following stitch, double crochet 3, and double crochet 4. Yes, like this. I made 4 double crochet totally. Okay, yarn over. Now I am going to make another V stitch in this V stitch. For this reason, first of all, making double crochet and then 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, making another V stitch like this, yarn over, going to the following V stitch, inserting my hook through the following V stitch and making another V stitch on this. I made a double crochet, 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook through the same space, making another V stitch like this, yarn over, going to the following space and making another V stitch, 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook through the same space, making another double crochet, yarn over, going to the following space, inserting my hook through the following V stitch space, making 1 double crochet, 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook through the same V stitch and making another double crochet. Like this we are finding a new V stitch on this. Okay, this is round 3, dear friends. We are coming to the end in the same way I showed you. Yes, dear friends, I came to the end of this round as well. I am on this button space. Now I am going to make totally 4 double crochet, dear friends. You will remember when starting we made 4 double crochet in order to sew up the button, and here I am going to make also 4 double crochet, yarn over, I'm inserting my hook through this button space. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, this is double crochet 3, and double crochet 4. As you see, it will be like this. Let me show you like this, dear friends. First of all, we are making double crochets. We are making a button space, double crochets, button space, double crochet, button space, double crochet. It will go on. As you see, we made button space, and upon this we made a double crochets. And upon this double crochet, 4 double crochet, we are going to make button space as well. For this reason, for the double crochet, we are making 2 chains. Later on, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains are for the button space. Yarn over. I'm skipping all these double crochets. I am coming to this end here. I am inserting my hook. Look, like this. I'm inserting my hook on top of the last double crochet and making a button space. It is finished like this. Yarn over. Now I am inserting my hook through the V-stitch, 2 chains, and making another double crochet like this. Yarn over. I'm going to the following V-stitch and making another in this V-stitch. Okay, yarn over, going to the following V-stitch and making another V-stitch, 2 chains and another V-stitch. Like this, we are coming to the end, dear friends. I came to the end of this round like this. I am at the end. Yarn over. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the second double crochet of the V-stitch. I am not touching it. I am going to the double crochet 1 for the place that we are going to knit the buttons. After making yarn over, I am inserting my hook on the first double crochet, making double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and double crochet 4, like this. I am not counting the last V-stitch. I am counting only these double crochets. Now 2 chains, 1, 2. These 2 chains is for double crochet 1. Turning to the other side, yarn over. Except this one, I am going to make 3 more double crochet. Going to the following double crochet, making a new double crochet. It's been like this. Yarn over, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet. Like this. I am counting the chain to as double crochet 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Yarn over, coming to the first V-stitch and starting going on making V-stitches, 2 chains, inserting my hook in the same V-stitch, making the second double crochet, yarn over, going to the following space, making 1 double crochet, 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook through the same space, making another double crochet, like this. Okay, we are coming to the end. As you see, I came to the end. I am here now. I made my last V-stitch, yarn over. Here you will remember we made a double crochet on the last double crochet of this previous one. I made yarn over, inserting my hook on this double crochet. I am making a double crochet. We are doing this in order to get a perfect space. Now after making 1 double crochet on this previous one. Now we are going to fill this with 3 double crochet. You will remember 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet totally. We made the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. There are totally 4 double crochets with this one. 1 space, 1 block. 1 space, 1 block. It's going on like this. Since we made a block, now we are going to make a space for the space, making 1, 2 chains for the double crochet one, and then 3 chains. 1, 2, 3 chains. This 3 chains is for the button space. Turning to the other side, yarn over. Now I am inserting my hook on top of the first double crochet here. The first double crochet of the previous one, I mean here. You will remember we made firstly this double crochet. For this reason I am calling this as the first double crochet. Okay, as you see, we made a perfect space. Yarn over. Now I am going to the V-stitch and starting going on making usual V-stitches, making 2 chains, inserting our hook through the following same space like this. Yarn over, going to the following space, making a double crochet, 2 chains, yarn over, inserting our hook in the same space, making another V-stitch. Okay, like this we are coming to the end. I came to the end of this round. I made my last V-stitch. Now I am going to make these 4 double crochet, inserting my hook through the following one, making 1 double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, and inserting my hook on top of this 2 chains and making the 4th double crochet. 2 chains, 1, 2. I will consider this as double crochet 1. Turning to the other side, I am skipping this first one, going to this following, making double crochet 2. I am calling this as double crochet 2 because I am considering the first 2 chains as double crochet 1. Yarn over, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet. Yarn over, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet like this. From now on, standard we are going on, I mean making V stitches like this, going to the following, making another V stitch, 2 chains. Okay, like this. We are going on till the end. When we come to the end, we will cover this with double crochets. I finished this round. I am at the end now. I made my last V-stitch, yarn over. I will insert my hook on this double crochet and making a new double crochet. Beside this, I will make 3 more double crochet in the space. This is 1. This is 2, and this is 3, like this. Now I am making 2 chains, 1, 2, this is for double crochet, and 1, 2, 3, this is for the button space. Turning to the other side, yarn over. Again, I am inserting my hook on this double crochet. You will remember 1, 2, 3 double crochet we made in this space, and we made a double crochet on this one, I mean this is, and I am inserting my hook in there, making a double crochet. As you see, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 button spaces. Yarn over, I'm coming to the first V-stitch, making a V-stitch. Okay, yarn over, going to the following V-stitch, making another one on this, 2 chains I'm making like this. Okay, I am going on by making these stitches and coming to the end, I mean to these double crochets. I came to the end of this round, yarn over. I am now on these double crochets. I made my last V stitch, and one by one I will make totally 4 double crochet. I'm making my first double crochet, going to the following, making the second double crochet, third one, and the fourth one. Okay, now I am making 2 chains, turning to the other side, yarn over. One by one I will make double crochets on these double crochets. I made a double crochet, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet, and another double crochet. Dear friends, we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rounds with V stitches. Now we are finishing with V stitches because that's okay for the wrist. I mean, like this, it is okay. For this reason, on these V stitches we are going to make double crochets. We already made double crochets on the places that we are going to knit the buttons, and now we are going to make double crochets on these V stitches. I'm making yarn over. I am going to the V stitch and making 2 double crochet in the V stitch space. This is 1 and this is 2. Yarn over, coming to the place that 2 V stitch join to each other, I mean here, inserting my hook in there and making 1 double crochet, yarn over. Now I am going to the following V stitch, making 2 double crochet. This is 1 and this is 2, yarn over. I am going to the following stitch that 2 V stitches join to each other and making 1 double crochet in there, yarn over, 2 double crochet in the V stitch, 1 and 2, yarn over, and 1 double crochet on the place that 2 V stitches join to each other, this space, this stitch space, making a double crochet. Like this we are making double crochets till the end, dear friends. 2 double crochet in the space, 1 double crochet in the place that 2 V stitches join to each other. Okay, in this way we are coming to the space for the button. I will show you how we are going to finish this button places also. Let's finish this round as I explained to you. I came to the end of this round and I am on the place that we made our last button space, yarn over, okay, inserting my hook on the double crochet, making 1 double crochet on there. I'm going to make 3 more double crochet in this space. This is double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and double crochet 3, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. The wrist part of the cuff is finished, dear friends, like this. This is the wrist part. From now on we are going to make this lacy pattern. Yes, dear friends, I finished this round as well. Full double crochet I made till the end. Now we are going to make it as a circle like this. It's going to be a circle like this. For this reason we will join these 2 edges to each other. Don't forget, this is the front side. Front side will look outside. I am inserting my hook at top of the first chains, first 3 chains, like this. Yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. Now we joined these 2 parts to each other. Now I am making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am making 2 times yarn over, because from now on we are going to make triple crochet. I am inserting my hook in the same stitch here that I made 5 chains, and I am making a triple crochet. It's been like this, dear friends. 2 times yarn over. 2 stitches I'm skipping. This is stitch 1, this is stitch 2, this is stitch 3. I am inserting my hook through the stitch 3, making a triple crochet firstly, 1, 2, 3, and making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 times yarn over. Inserting my hook through the same stitch here. This is the stitch that I made 5 chains, and making a triple crochet like this. Okay, it's been like this. 2 times yarn over. I am skipping 2 stitches, stitch 1, stitch 2. I am skipping, inserting my hook through the stitch 3 and making a triple crochet firstly. Later on, in order to make a V-stitch here, I am making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 times yarn over. Inserting my hook through the same stitch and making a triple crochet like this. 2 times yarn over. I am skipping 1, 2 stitch, going to the following, in the stitch 3, making a triple crochet firstly, 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same stitch and making a triple crochet in there like this. Okay, we are going on like this till the end of the round, dear friends. As you see, since we made here 5 chains, it started to be a ruffled shape after we make the following rounds. Let me show you. You see, this is a ruffled shape, as you see, like this. For this reason, in this round we made 5 chains between these V stitches. Okay, dear friends, like this, let's come to the end of the round. I came to the end of this round. It's been like this all around. I made V stitches. As you see, there are 1, 2, 3 stitch here. I'm making 2 times yarn over, and I'm inserting my hook on the chain 3. I'm skipping chain 1, chain 2, inserting my hook, chain 3, and making a triple crochet in there. I'm making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times yarn over. I'm inserting my hook through the same stitch and making a triple crochet. Let me show you. It's been like this, dear friends. We made 5 chains when starting this round. Now I am counting the chains. Chain 1, chain 2, and chain 3. Inserting my hook through chain 3, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. Like this, we are finishing this round. And I'm inserting my hook through the first V stitch and making a single stitch in there. Now I am on the round 2 for this lacy part. Now I'm making 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. 2 times yarn over I'm making, and I'm inserting my hook through the same stitch space, V stitch, and making a triple crochet in there like this, dear friends. I am considering these 3 chains as triple crochet 1. I made another one. There are now 2 triple crochet in the first V stitch. Now I am making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same V stitch, making a triple crochet in there like this, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same V-stitch space, making another triple crochet in there. Okay, let me show you. It's been like this, dear friends. In this V-stitch we made this one. Now I am making 2 times yarn over like this. I'm inserting my hook through the V-stitch and making a triple crochet. I will make another triple crochet in the same V-stitch. For this reason I made 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same V-stitch, making another triple crochet. Okay, there are now 2 triple crochet in this following V-stitch. Now I am making 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same V-stitch, making a triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, making another triple crochet. Yes, dear friends, it's been like this. On each V-stitch we are making these lacy patterns. Each will 2 triple crochet, 5 chains, 2 triple crochet, 2 triple crochet, 5 chains, 2 triple crochet. From now on it will go on like this till the end, dear friends. When we come to each following V-stitch, we are going to make 2 triple crochet, 5 chains, 2 triple, 2 triple crochet, 5 chains, 2 triple crochet, 2 triple, 5 chains, 2 triple crochet. Like this we are coming to the end. Lastly, I will show you once again. 2 times yarn over I'm making, coming to the following triple crochet space, making a triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the following V-stitch space, making another triple crochet, 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same V-stitch, making a triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same V-stitch, and one moment, and making another triple crochet. Yes, dear friends, it's been like this. Let's make the same till the end. Let's come to the end of this round, dear friends. I am at the end now. Now I'm inserting my hook on top of the first 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and this is chain 3. Inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. I finished this round totally. Now I am inserting my hook through the following stitch, making a slip stitch. And now I'm inserting my hook through this space and making a single stitch like this. Now 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same space, making a triple crochet like this. I'm making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same space, making a triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same space, making another triple crochet. It's been like this. We are making the same what we did in the previous round, dear friends. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the following space and making 2 more triple crochet. Last 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 times yarn over, inserting again in the same space, making 2 more triple crochet. This is 1 triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, and 1 more triple crochet like this. It will go on the same till the end, dear friends. Okay, from now on the pattern repeats always the same what we did in this round and also this round. For the upper rounds we are going to make the same. The length of this lacy part is completely depends on you, but I made, let's count how many rounds I made totally. Let's count this one as round 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds totally I made for this handcuff, like this. And here we made round 1, round 2, and we are now on the round 3. When you finish the round 3, you are going to go on for round 4 and round 5 in the same way how we did here in these last 2 rounds. The same you will repeat. There will be totally 5 rounds, dear friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will be totally 5 rounds. Okay, let's finish this ruffled lacy part with 5 rounds. Let's meet in the end, dear friends. Yes, I finished the lacy part. Let me show you. It's been like this all around. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds totally. What we are going to do from now on, we are going to make these border ends. For this reason, we are starting from the very end here. I'm taking my yarn in my hand and starting by fixing the yarn to the end like this. In order to fix well, I am doing like this, and upon this making 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and inserting my hook in the same stitch, making a single stitch like this. Now I'm making 2 times yarn over. I am skipping 3 double crochet following 3. I'm not counting this one because we made a single stitch on this. For this reason I am counting only the followings. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Here in the 4th stitch, on the 4th double crochet, I am inserting my hook. Now I will make 2 by 2 pull through. I will make a triple crochet like this. Okay, I am making 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook again in the same space, making a triple crochet like this, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook in this last space, making a single stitch, 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook in this space, in the same space I mean, and making a triple crochet like this, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook in this last space, making a single stitch, 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in this same space, making a triple crochet, and 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook in this last space and making a single stitch. Let's count how many we made. We made 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to make 1 more. For this reason, making 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in the same space and making a triple crochet. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook here in this last space, making a single stitch. Yes, dear friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of triple crochet we made. Now we will fix it on the double crochets. It's been like this. For this reason, 1, 2, 3 double crochet we are skipping, and we are inserting our hook in the 4th one. Let's count once again. This one, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. I'm skipping, inserting my hook on top of the 4th one. yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch. Okay, now we can go to the following pattern. For this reason, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains will be the picot of the first triple crochet, dear friends. Now 1, 2, 3 double crochet, skipping, inserting our hook in the 4th one. Okay, making a triple crochet. Okay, we are considering this first 3 chains as the picot of this triple crochet. Now making 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in the same space, making a triple crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook here in this last space, 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in the same space, making another triple crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook in the last space, making a single stitch, 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in the same space and making a triple crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook in this last space and making a single stitch, 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook here in this same space, making another triple crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and inserting our hook here in this last space, making a single stitch. Okay, let's count how many we made. This one, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we can fix it on the double crochet round like this. For this reason, 3 double crochet skipping, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook on top of the 4th one like this, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch. Okay, 2 pattern completely finished. Now we are going to the following one. Lastly, I am going to show it to you. First of all, making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and inserting our hook in the same stitch that we fixed the last floral pattern here, inserting my hook and making a single stitch like this, 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, skipping 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, I'm skipping and inserting my hook on top of the 4th one, making a triple crochet like this, 1 chain I'm making. Since we are considering this 3 chains and single stitch picot, I mean here, this one will be the picot of this first triple crochet. For this reason, we are not making another picot on this. I am just making 1 chain and going to the following triple crochet. I am inserting my hook in the same stitch that I made the first triple crochet. I am making the 2nd triple crochet like this, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook here and making a single stitch, 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in this stitch, making a triple crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, inserting our hook here, making a single stitch, 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook in the same stitch, making a triple crochet, 3 chains, 1 2 3, inserting my hook here through the last space, making a single stitch. How many we made? We made 1 2 3 4. We are going to make one more, making 1 chain, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook through the same stitch and making a triple crochet, 1 2 3 chains, inserting our hook in the last space, making a single stitch. Okay, now it's 1 2 3 4 5. Now we can fix it on the double crochets. For this reason, 1 2 3 double crochet we are skipping, inserting our hook on top of the fourth one. 1 2 3, I'm skipping here, inserting my hook, one moment, on top of this fourth one, making a single stitch, 1 2 3 chains, inserting my hook in the same stitch. Okay, now we are ready to make the fourth one. Okay, dear friends, I explained to you 3 floral pattern. I think it's clear enough for you. We are going on making this floral pattern till the end of this round, dear friends. Okay, this is the last step that we are going to make for the cuff. After we finished, we are going to sew up the buttons and it will be completely finished. Firstly, let's make the border end till the end of this round, dear friends. I came to the end of, let me show you. It is okay, dear friends. A few double crochet left at the end, but it's no matter because it's not enough to found another floral pattern, and at the same time it will be on the bottom place. For this reason we can leave it like this, making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. You see there is some yarn end at the end. I will hide it with the help of the darning needle. First of all, I'm inserting darning needle through the back stitches. And cutting the rest. We are also hiding the other in the same way I showed you. Okay, now it is time to sew up the buttons. We need 4 buttons. We have 1 2 3 4 button spaces. We are going to sew up buttons on the opposite side. I'm taking my darning needle in my hand. I am making a knot. I will use these buttons, dear friends. You are free to choose whatever buttons you can find at your place. Let me show you how we are going to sew up the buttons. You see, this is the first round with double crochets. We are leaving this one. And this is the second round, and this is the second round of the opposite side. We are going to sew up the button in the same side. I mean, since this space is in the second round, we are sewing up in the second round with double crochets. 1 2 3. In the third one, third double crochet, I mean, I'm fixing the thread and sewing up. A few times I am doing in order to sew up well. Okay, that's enough. I am fixing it in the back side with a knot. Now I am cutting. Let me show you. Okay, it's been like this. We are going to sew up the others in the same way. Look, this is 1, 2, 3. This is round 3. Let's count from here. 1, 2, 3. These double crochet. These are the same rounds. We are not sewing up the button here and on the round 4 here. This round. This is the space of the round 4. These are the double crochets of the round 4. Look. We are going to sew up the buttons here on this round 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful when sewing up the buttons. It is important to sew up the buttons in the same round with the spaces. I'm making a knot in the edge like this. Let's cut the rest. Okay, I am fixing in the back side. Making another knot in order to fix well. And cutting. We are sewing up the other buttons in the same way, dear friends. You should be careful. We are sewing up the buttons in the same round with the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The following buttons will be sewn up on the round 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are going to sew up, and after that 7, 8 we are going to sew up the last button on the 8th space. Always we are skipping one round double crochets. Let me show you. Look, we skipped this first round with double crochets, and before sewing up the second one we skipped one round with double crochets. Now we are skipping one round with double crochets. We are skipping the button on the following round. Okay, like this we are sewing up the buttons and we are finishing it, dear friends. Finished, I sew up. Now let me wear it for you. I'm fastening the buttons. If you like, you can wear it like this, the buttons up. If you like, you can wear it, the buttons down. Let me wear the other one. I really loved it, dear friends. It is very nice. You can wear it on your jumpers. It is very nice. You can wear it on your long sleeve t-shirts. You can wear it on your shirts, under your jean coats, under your trench coats. It will be beautiful. I really loved it. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like these beautiful crochet cuffs. I really loved it. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. See you in the coming videos.